Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So here is our espresso machine. We have it for a few years now. Well, on the downside with it is really heavy once we put the water tank on with water in it. With kids at home, the counter where we normally put this on, my older son like to get his hand on it and play with it. So I normally push this machine all the way against the wall so he can't reach it. But by doing so, then it was really hard for me to get to the water tank on the back. So today I'm going to install this Crema coffee products. They have aftermarket wheels for this espresso machine. And this is for Barista Express and Touch. So once I install this, hopefully it will be much easier for me to move around this machine and easier to get to the water tank in the back. First, you need to remove everything that you can, all the accessories, because you have to put this flat to get to the bottom. Now remove the water tank, remove the tray. Now as far as for the hopper, you can take it off, but I already have coffee beans in there and I just don't want to remove it and have some stuff like falling off. So I use the tape to tape up so the hopper won't, the lid won't come off. What I'm gonna do now is to have on this box. I'm gonna set it on the back side so it help with placing this on the back. So now the bottom is easy to get to. Now what you need is this Phillips head screwdriver. The places that you need to remove, right here, the front and the back. And now let me show you what's inside the packaging here. Once you open it up, they have a card where you can scan the QR code and look up the PDF for the installation. But it's really straightforward and simple. Now here are the set. This is to the back where the wheel is. And this is the front. The front does not have any wheels. And this silicone can be pulled out. You have to install from the bottom here. And then they have washer, 4 of them. So 2 are triangles and 2 are rectangles. First, by removing the old rubber feet that's on the machine. So this is what it looks like. Now this has a washer on it. So when you install the new feet, just make sure that you do the same procedure, which is a screw, a washer, and then go inside the feet and then install. This is the back side. Alright, so here is the comparison between the old one and the new one. As you can see, the old one washer is much bigger. If you're thinking that the old one can fit into the new one, that is not going to work. So the new washer that you need to use is the rectangular one. So like I mentioned, screw goes into the washer, then goes into the feet, like so. According to the instruction, do not over tighten the screw once you put it onto the machine. And here's the other side. Now the top part, the front, the feet. Here is the old one, here is the new one. New one, you need to take out the rubber cushion. Now for the front, you can actually reuse the washer. The washer looks like the same size. Like so. You have the screw, then the washer goes in. All right, so just FYI, I just realized the screwdriver that I have is too large to go all the way in. So I end up had to use a skinnier one to go inside. Once the feet is installed, don't forget to put the rubber cushion. And now to the other side. And the rubber cushion. All right, so now all 4 corners are being installed. Let me set this up. All right, so moment of truth. Hey, so much easier than before. Now I can move around this. Yeah, this is pretty cool. And so the way that you're gonna move it is to lift up the front, and then now you can rotate it with the wheels on the back. And once you set it down, it doesn't really move a whole lot. So it's pretty secure. So with the wheels on, the machine is so much easy to move around with, especially now that I can just push the machine easily against the wall. And if I need to get the water tank, I just pull the machine out. Now makes everything very easy to get access to. Anyway, so this is my installation of the wheels to the Breville Barista Express machine. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.